So crazy things are happening, right? And that statement is very true. Just because you have not seen it does not mean it has not happened. So Nigerian artist Skales just shared a very funny but twisted story, but also a true story. So he was thrown in cell with his manager. So this is how it happened. So the manager had an altercation with a powerful Nigerian billionaire, not Skills, and then it led to police case and all that. So the manager was arrested. So Skills now, in solidarity, based on saying I'm my manager now, I think I follow and go cell. So when he got there, he was also thrown in cell. I think he was not expecting that, but it happened. So when he got in, one of the inmates was like, "Are you not Skills?" He was like, "Yes, he is. He's Skills." So they said for him to get a good space to sleep in the cell, and also a good mat, he has to perform one of his songs, Shake Body. I mean, inmates also need to shake body now. So he had to perform that song, and also Emergency, and they had fun. And even one of the inmates was like, okay, he can actually help him to deal with that billionaire, that threw them inside the cell. But was like, it's okay, it's fine. And that was the story. That was how Scales found himself performing for inmates in Nigerian prison. These and many more stories is found on our website. My name is Augustina with the News Chronicle.